Kalamkari straight from the heart of Srikalahasti. And honestly, you've loved our Kalamkaris for years and we love bringing you new ones every time. Each collection is special, made with natural dyes. These saris are so earthy, they literally carry the soft smell of milk. Pure, raw, real. Every sari tells a story, beautiful Indian flora and fauna, hand painted with so much care, finished with a gorgeous hand woven border. And yes, it comes with a perfectly coordinated blouse, of course. These aren't just saris, they are art, tradition, and craft, all woven into one. If you really want to experience them, you have to see them in person. Visit us at Singhanias, Banjara Hills, and Jubilee Hills. Come feel the fabric, see the details, and fall in love with Kalamkari all over again.